Exposing the truth in exam anxiety. Parents, this one's for you and your kiddos. Picture this. Your child is sitting at the kitchen table, books scattered everywhere, eyes red from staying up too late. "Why are you so tense during exams?" you ask gently. Your child looks up, a mix of frustration and worry in their eyes. "Because I haven't prepared well before," they admit. "Now, I'm not able to understand or learn anything. I wish someone could clear my concepts and make me learn in an easy way." You sit down beside them, offering a reassuring smile. "So," you say softly, "this can't happen overnight. Learn from your mistakes." They nod, taking a deep breath. "Yes, Mum, I'll start from the beginning," they say with determination. "Please help me get a good mentor." Parents, this is the moment we step in. Support your kids by helping them find the right resources and mentors. Encourage them to create a study plan, take breaks, and understand that it's okay to ask for help. Remember, it's not just about the grades. It's about teaching them resilience, time management, and the importance of seeking help when needed. Let's turn exam stress into a learning experience. Together, we can help our kids face their fears and come out stronger. You've got this, and so do they. For additional support, contact Know How coaching classes at 702 101 9812.